Yo, mega love shoutout po sa inyong lahat. And happy birthday sa'yo, Idol Jimbo.
Sabay-sabay po nating batiin si Idol Jimbo ng happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Jimbo Amoroto.
Ayan, happy birthday, Jimbo Amoroto.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. So happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jimbo.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, my friends.
Happy birthday, Lods.
Happy birthday, Jimbo.
Hello, Jimbo. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jimbo.
Happy birthday sa'yo, friend.
Happy birthday. Hi, hello, Jimbo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ay, siya Jimbo, kamusta? Happy birthday nga pala.
Birthday, Jimbo.
Happy birthday ulit sa'yo, Jimbo Vlog. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jimbo Amoroto.
Hi, Kuya Jimbo. Happy birthday po sa'yo.
Happy birthday ng Jimbo.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Jimbo.
Happy birthday to you, Jimbo.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Jimbo Amoroto.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday sa'yo.
Happy birthday sa'yo.
Happy birthday, bye.
Happy birthday sa'yo.
And happy birthday, Kuya. We love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jimbo.
Ma, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, paring Jimbo.
Happy birthday, Jimbo.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Mwah! Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday, Jimbo. Happy birthday, Jimbo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jimbo. Mula dito sa Shangri-La, Boracay, binabalti kita ng magandang buhay, magandang life, long life, and wish you all the best, good health, keep safe, and happy birthday once again.
Hi, hello Jimbo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Pila na may edad mo dong, Jimbo. Wish you more birthdays to come. O, padayon sa pagkabuotan, padayon sa pagwaiti-waiti, para mapunaan ang imong 93% na revenue. Happy birthday. O, ano sa imong hinaot nga malipayon o baskog kakanunay uban sa imong pamilya, sa imong mahal sa kinabuhi, imong mga anak o asawa. Happy birthday dong, and God bless you, Jimbo. Manuluto. Basta happy birthday. Di ka ni Ate Billy.
Ay, siya Jimbo, kamusta? Happy birthday nga pala. Ang wish ko sa iyo ay sana lumaki pa yung subscriber mo, saka yung channel mo. Sana ipagpatuloy mo lang yung mga nasimulan mo. Saka wish ko lang na ingat ka palagi. At saka yung mga nakakatawa mong video, patuloy mo lang, Sir Jimbo. Maganda yung mga ginagawa mo. Talagang hanga ako sa iyo. Happy birthday talaga sa iyo. I wish you and good health and stay who you are. God bless your family and my God will give you more birthdays to come. Yun lang. Salamat ng marami sa mga tulong mo sa akin. At saka parehas naman tayong taga Bohol. Sana soon magkita tayo sa mga susunod na mga araw o panahon. Sana magkita tayo. Saka sana makapunta rin ako dyan sa work mo dyan sa Mithi. Maraming salamat din sa mga suporta mo sa akin. Yun lang. Happy birthday again. And stay safe always. Sige sir. Shoutout sa'yo. Salamat. Ito si Buhay Tricycle Driver. Thank you.
Hello Jimbo, mega love shout out. Today is your wonderful day. May the Lord bless you and guide you always, Jimbo. More cakes to blow. Always good health. Ingat palagi sa work. And kahit hindi ako may makasupport kasi busy minsan. Dito lang ako mag-support sa iyo, Jimbo. Happy birthday, Jimbo. God bless you always and more cakes to blow. Happy birthday, Jimbo. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone. Regalab shoutout. Gusto ko lang batiin si Jimbo Amoroto ng happy birthday, Jimbo. More birthdays to come. Always good health and God bless you always. Yun lang. Bye-bye.
Hello, Jimbo Amoroto. Good morning. And happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Pasensya na at medyo busy si Ate Dali. Anyway, lagi kita naalala at alam mo naman lagi ako nagme-message ko may time. Happy birthday. Hello, Jimbo. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best in your
birthday ko din sa Jimbo. Happy birthday sa'yo. And ang wish ko lang ay good health always palagi. And keep safe. And nandito lang ako para sa iyo, para supportahan ka. And happy birthday ulit. God bless.
Yes, sir! This is your Alvin Paricoy Corpus. Nais ko pong batiin ang ating idol Jimbo Amoroto. Maligayang kaarawan, idol. Na may bigyan ka pa ng maraming kaarawan ng ating Panginoong Diyos. Hindi ko na paabahin pa. God bless sa'yo. Ingat lagi. And peace out.
May gusto lang akong babatiin ang aking whitey friends na si Jimbo Amoroto. Happy birthday to you, my friend. I know this is your special day, so I hope you are in good health, and thanks for sharing for your blessings. I think that's it. And please subscribe this channel, Jimbo Amoroto. Ayan, very supportive yan. God bless and happy birthday again. Bye-bye.
Hello, Jimbo Amoroto. This is Ken and Jovi from Pinoy U.S. Adventure. And we would like to wish you a very happy birthday.
May God grant the desires of your heart, anak. Continue to be a good boy, ha? And lahat ng gusto mo, bibigay ni God. More birthdays to come. And as always, God bless. Mwah.
Hi, I just want to say happy birthday to Jimbo Amoroto, and may God continue to give you more blessings, and just continue your journey in YT World and also on your page, and Thank you for the support and enjoy your day, Jimbo. God bless.
Isang mapagpalang araw sa iyong kaarawan, Boss Jimbo. Sa araw na ito, ang iyong kaarawan, sana ang bawat isa sa iyong mga hiling ay magkatotoo. God bless and more birthday to come. Bye! Enjoy!
Hi Jimbo, happy birthday. I just want to say thank you kasi buti at 24/7 at dahil doon nakakapagpas kami everyday and nakakatambay din kami habang nag-lecture points. Ang wish lang or wish namin sana paano muna kami ng points para makagambol at manibigit kami. So, anyways, happy birthday again and may you have many more birthdays to come. Thank you!
Jimbo, happiest birthday. Mabuhay ka ng gusto mo. Mama, sip-sip.